Hi, Kim Cardinal with the Victoria Property Group, eXp Realty. I'm here in beautiful Sidney by the Sea at 10287 Godfrey Place to show you our newest listing. It's a 3 to 4 bedroom home with 2 bathrooms and it's ready for your family. Let's go have a look. Thanks for coming on the tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about this property or any of our other listings, please feel free to reach out. Again, it's Kim Cardinal with Victoria Property Group, eXp Realty.